Okay, so this is a calendar design that I just generated using Gemini AI, and it was actually based on this snapshot of a presentation slide. And as you can see, Gemini is able to emulate the same design elements into the calendar. So this is a cool thing about Gemini because we have an AI model called Gemini Nano Banana Pro, and it is just very good at mimicking the design from the attached picture into a new picture. So let me show you how you can create a somewhat branded calendar using Gemini AI. Let's open Gemini, and after that you can copy and paste this prompt into Gemini, and don't worry, you can find this full prompt down in the description down below. Let's just copy the prompt and let's paste that onto Gemini. So after that, you can upload perhaps a design, slide, logo, or anything that could be used by Gemini to learn about the particular design, format, or style that you want to incorporate into the calendar design. Now, in this case, I'm going to be using this example of a slide about poetry, apparently. So I'm going to just copy it. And let's paste that onto Gemini. It will automatically upload the picture into the chat. So here at the very top, you can select the month, the year, and of course the location, because some countries observe different holidays. So here I'm going to click Tools, click Create Images, and switch to the thinking version. Click Submit, and just wait for Gemini to basically analyze the picture. And after that, it will do some research on the internet just to make sure that it is getting the correct holidays information. And after that, it will generate a picture using Gemini Nano Banana Pro. This process might take quite a while, so I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I got this result. I think it looks decent. And by the way, I think it is worth mentioning that sometimes Gemini will show you this error message. Now, this is happening very recently. So basically, the AI is thinking that the image is too large and it is just beyond the context window, which doesn't make any sense, and therefore it's not able to look into the picture, and that's why I got this very different result. But don't worry, usually you can just click the redo button, and after that Gemini should be able to look into the picture and recreate the same design. So as you can see, I was able to generate this picture with Gemini, and make sure to verify the information like the holidays and also the dates. Now here, how about if we create the next month, like the February, March, etc.? Well, you can use this prompt. So I'm going to just copy it. And again, the full prompt is going to be available in the description down below. Here, you can specify, it could be February, December, November, it's up to you. So after that, you can click Submit and just wait for Gemini to generate another calendar for the next month. So yeah, that's basically how you can do it. So this is very cool, and I think this is very useful if you want to quickly generate some professional looking calendar with the help of Gemini AI. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.